Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CEI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes of time. So that there may look like an entire day. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, and pretty much what I talked about played out. Granted, it would have been better if it played out the other way, meaning had the bulls gotten some sort of break to the upside of the pattern. But the other thing happened. The bear showed back up. You can see broke to the downside of that trend line. And then as I alluded to, if that were to happen, then good chance that these lows would come into play. And sure, to nitpick, it didn't exactly hit that green line, precisely on the spot. But I think we can all agree the price definitely got well within the range of 28 cents. So that is really kind of the only bullish attribute about that, and I'll explain that in a minute here. But overall, a bearish day, and it's looking like this one's going to go back into garbage mode here. But you can't quite say that quite yet because, like I said, there is that little bullish attribute. But as far as the pattern and as far as what I was talking about in Monday's video, that has all been ruined and destroyed. So it's kind of back to the drawing board here. Now, the one reason I still say and still kind of keeping an eye on this one is because, yeah, the pattern did get destroyed. Yeah, the bears went out. Yeah, it was a breakdown. But it's not like it was a breakdown where it broke below that orange line, then came down here, and then just kept on bleeding and bleeding and bleeding. No, the price actually did start to go sideways, and it happened to still go sideways above that green line. Now, don't get me wrong, that doesn't mean that this is for sure the bottom and for sure another movement to the upside is coming. I'm just saying that's why you can't say that the entire day was a total, absolute train wreck. Was it a bearish day? Was it a bad day? Yeah, absolutely. But was it just an absolute disaster? No, you can't call it that for the reasons here just discussed. So the price is maintaining above 28 cents, and we'll see if it can hold. But I don't think anyone would exactly be shocked if the price went sideways here a little bit, and then all of a sudden resume the downtrend downwards. But as of right now, the price is still holding strong up above that 28 cent mark. So we'll see if it can hold or not. And if it can, then yeah, you very well could get another attempt back for a bounce. So we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.